Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and I am outside looking at my flowers. I have a few already planted, and I wanted to share them with you. And how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well, blessed, and highly favored. So just come on with me now for my little tour of the flowers. This right here is my bluebell, and it is blooming out, and it is getting ready to get, not blooming out, it is green and getting ready to get the blooms on it. These are the new cushions that I got for our seating on the deck. I am really changing it around. Bentley, tell everybody hello. Say hi. Here is my peony. It is pretty and green. Have no balloons on it though, but it's pretty and green. And this pot right here is the mint coming up that I planted last year. It's coming back up. Jimmy is planting his tomatoes and peppers and things right here.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower